2012 is to understand the growing area of marketing automation and how marketers can use that whole technology and automation to improve the lead lifecycle. So what I mean by that is really understanding how to drive more leads into the funnel, and then generating more leads, and then engaging with those leads. So as an example, we can use marketing automation to email people, to watch what they're engaging on your site, what their behaviors are, and then also tracking social. And then being able to do more with that. So letting your sales reps know who's engaged so they can call on the hottest leads so that they can close more deals faster. So those are some of the, keeping up with that is really important. There's a lot of opportunity out there as more and more businesses are using this technology to drive more leads and ultimately, of course, more revenue. So as marketers, we need to do that and support our sales teams and make them more productive, because the sales teams are very expensive resources that you want to cut that down so that they can spend less time on cold calls and more time talking to the right leads and generating more revenue. I know that this has been a hard thing is to measure how marketing's doing, but that's one of the things at Marketo that we really strongly focus on is every program has to have a return on investment, and having the tools to be able to do that and say, this person came from this booth, like from South by Southwest or here today, and then how after that they engaged with us and how it moved through the funnel, and being able to then quantify that and say, this program resulted in X dollars. And that's why we should invest more in this program or less in this program and more in something else. So we strongly believe in that. We look at all kinds of marketing channels and we analyze that on an ongoing basis. And every marketer should, but sometimes it's hard. So you need tools to do that, like marketing automation.